Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. My name is Safari Booker. As you can see by the title of this video, I will be taking down my butterfly locks. I've had them in since March 18th or something like that. I don't know. Whenever we went on that spring trip to Florida, y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I had them since then, and so it's been like a month, maybe some change. A month or some change. Yeah, so anyways, I'm taking them down because I don't like them in my hair anymore, and my roots have outgrown themselves. It's not pretty to look at them, and they're jumbo, so it looks even worse. So this is the first time that I've ever taken down butterfly locks, and the first time that I've ever gotten butterfly locks. So I just wanted to show my process. I already took down one of my things because I had to watch a tutorial. I didn't want to mess up and cut my hair or something, because then my mom would be mad at me. I went and I looked on YouTube. I'll put the video that I've seen right here. The way the person that did my hair, I don't know who she is, but anyway, she did my hair differently than the video that I watched, because her hair in her video, she has like braids and then the butterfly lock is like twisted around it. Well, mine isn't in braids until like the end, where she puts like this type of hair. I don't know what this is, but this type of hair, she just puts it and then she braids the rest, and then she wraps the butterfly lock around it. So I'm gonna be doing a similar process to what I saw in the video, but it's going to be still different because my hair was done differently. I don't think like the dirt up here is not too bad. Usually when I take down my braids, my hair is dry and I have a lot of like dirt up here wherever the braid was. But this time I don't have that much dirt, and my hair isn't that dry. It's dry a little at the ends though. And I think that's maybe because of this, or maybe my ends are just dry. I don't know, girl. I already oiled my hair, like I oiled my whole head, because I felt like that would be better. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do all this. But what she said to do in the video was like pull it down. Well, she had braids. Her real hair was braided, so that's why she was pulling it down. She pulled it down, like just pulled it down, and then she would take her braid out, and then she would cut the X, the little part of the twist, and then just take that little piece out. But since my hair isn't braided, I have to do something a little differently. I just pull it down, and I cut the ends as close as I think, because that's where the braided hair is going to be, somewhere up here. Because when I stop, since I can't get it past this point, that's why I know that the braided hair is going to be right there. So I'm not going to be able to, you know, take it all the way down. So I do that, and then I think I unraveled it, but I think I did that by accident. I don't know. I don't think that really helps it though, to unravel it at the end. I did that by accident, so I don't think so. I'm gonna carefully cut a bit at the top. Okay. I'm gonna unravel it that way. Maybe that's how you do like longer locks or something, I guess, maybe. Because the video that I watched, she had like her locks were right here, and then she also had I would say maybe medium size locks, small, medium, or like medium size locks. So I think it makes more sense to just braid her hair and then wrap the thing around it, but I don't know. And there we go. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cut all of them, like all the ends off, because I'm gonna have to do that anyway. Just cut them to about here. My hair isn't that long. Mom told me not to comb out my hair for the reason that she doesn't want me to. She said something about losing my hair. That's how you lose your hair, if you comb it. But at the same time, I really don't care that much about losing hair, because I'm gonna shave it off in the future. I know I am. I know for a fact I am. It took a little bit of hair, but it's fine. It's not that noticeable, I believe. 3 more. All done, finally. This is what my hair looks like, taking them all out. Alright, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time I post. Bye, guys.